Hey guys! In this lesson I'm going to present you the characters we've been developing throughout the course. So in this course we've learned a lot about anatomy, how to create a character, how to draw poses, clothes, etc. And this is one of the drawings we developed. We sketched, inked and colored it. After learning some technical issues and using our creativity, we've got a unique and original character. After that, as you know, we made the female version of the same character. It can be made the other way around. First the woman and then use it as a guide for creating the male character. When drawing the woman, we try to keep the same features, facial expressions and personality as the man. We also copied the same pose. On the screen you can see the working process starting from the sketch to the coloring step. See? And finally here we have our two characters. It's the same, but one is a boy and the other a girl. Well guys, I really hope that you liked the course and that you learned all you need to create your own gender bender drawing, using as a reference the characters you like the most. Don't forget to upload your projects to Tutpad and share them with us so that we, both teachers and students, can comment on them and give you some feedback. See you soon in the following courses.